So a couple of people have asked me about my Instagram feed and how I make my posts with 3 layered stills like this. So I thought to myself, let's make a video about that. Usually when I'm done with the project, I post 3 stills from that project to my Instagram. For me as a freelance videographer, I do a lot of different types of work. And if I were to post all my video content on Instagram, I think it would just be a big mishmash with different content that nobody really would want to watch. A better way to show the work that I do is to post 3 stills from many different projects. Then I show the clients, the audience, the potential new clients, what I do, that I have a variety of different projects and that they look good. And it goes much faster when they are scrolling in my Instagram feed. They don't need to stop and watch all the films. They can just see all the different projects that I'm working on, and hopefully everyone is happy with that. A thing that you should keep in mind here is that I've set the timeline resolutions to 2048 by 858 DCI scope 2.39. And this I use for a lot of my projects because I think it looks so good. And the sweet thing about this aspect ratio is that it actually fits right into the vertical post if you're stacking 3 stills like we are here today. Already in the cutting stage, I usually choose my stills that I want to post. Here, for example, this clip I really like, and we choose that somewhere around here, when we have the snow falling here, I want to make this as a still. Then I take the player to where I want it to be, hit M, double click, and I name it still 1. And usually choose some nice color like green. Done. Now I know that we have a marker here that says still, and I want to post this later. Say for example, we go to this part, we can take this one right in the middle here when the tree is falling. Same thing here, hit M, go in, still 2. I choose the green again, and then we can go to this one and we can choose this, hit M, still 3. The next step is to get these 3 stills to actual JPEGs. So let's go into the color page. If you click this timeline here, you can say I already have it open. We can easily see the 3 dots like this. You can see that we're exactly on the marker when this comes up. Then I usually just right click and choose grab still, and that will bring it up here. And sometimes you can have a lot of stills looking the same. So what I'll do then is that I'll right click on this and change label, and then I just type A, for example. Now I know that this frame is a still that I'm going to use. Then I go to the next one, can take this, right click, grab still, right here, right click again, change label, A. The last one, zoom out, go to the last one here, zoom in, there we go, right click, grab still, right click, change label, A. And when we have these 3, then we can just mark them 1, 2, and 3, right click, export. Remember to change the file type here to JPEG. We can just label them A and export them to wherever. Desktop is fine. And to stack the 3 stills, I actually use Photoshop. And I go into my little folder, which is named Instagram Posts. On the top, I have a template file. This template file, I usually just right click, duplicate, then I can change the label to tutorial. Then I'll open it up. And here you can see I already have 3 pictures, so just close them down. And this is the good thing about the template, that I've already chosen the size, so I know that they are fitting to an actual vertical Instagram post. Go down into the description and you will find a link with this template just to download. The next thing is that I'll go to the Finder and go to the desktop and choose the 3 stills, drag them in to this file, and you can see they fit perfectly inside of the box here, and just hit enter 3 times. Then choose the move tool or press V, and you can move them around and place them however you want. And when I'm happy, I just go to the file, export as, JPEG, quality max, export desktop, or in my case, Instagram posts, tutorial, save. So as you can see, it's really simple. The only downside with this method is that you need to have Adobe Photoshop. Check out the link in the description if you want to have this template. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.